guys, hope you are all doing well. Today I am going to show you Back Hand Mehndi Design. It's very easy henna design for beginners. This is the commonest motif known as swirl. After the swirl, here I am making humps pattern, adding some dots. In this video, you can see lots of simple pattern of henna design. So if you are looking for unique and simple henna design for backhand which is easy to apply as well as look very beautiful, then this Mehndi video tutorial is for you. As you can see, I repeat the humps pattern here, adding some dots. You can also add vines pattern here. Now I am adding some chain line with dots. This pattern is really very demanding. In every wedding function, people ask me for this chain pattern for their fingers especially. I will be making a lot more videos, so please let me know what you would like to see from me in the comment below. You guys will definitely benefit from this video, so please share to your near friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please give your feedback about this video, it gives me motivation. If you have any request, comment down below. Thanks for watching.